Over many centuries, pheasants have been introduced from their native orient to other places. According to Greek mythology, Jason and the Argonauts brought black-necked pheasants to Europe in the region of the Black Sea. Julius Caesar supposedly introduced blacknecks to Britain 2,000 years ago, and they must have done well there because crossbow hunters sought them as long ago as the 10th century. Biologists call this the process of natural selection. Simply put, smart birds pass on smart genes. Year after year, generation after generation, opening day hunters crop the easy flushers. Those that are left sneak, slink, skulk, sprint, and even swim to avoid hunters and their dogs. Teaching your dog to respond to hand signals reduces noise. You should also use hand signals whenever possible while communicating with other hunters. When two hunters talk, a rooster quickly figures out how to avoid both.